Working on the 96 Z3. Customer's concern was there was a rubbing noise. That's because the shock mount had come apart. As you can see here, there's all kinds of play, movement, rubbing. Every time you go on a bump, definitely hear that. What it should feel like. Can't even move it. Nice and tight. Go back together. And to get to the upper bolts, this is a convertible. You remove that rubber dust boot so it comes out. Those two bolts over here on this side, gotta put them back together still. What the finished product should be.